kindergartners. I'm coming to you from my kitchen, and I don't know about you, but as the weather starts to get warmer, I start to enjoy my favorite treat of the summer, ice cream. Today, we're going to use the art vocabulary word shapes to draw our ice cream. We're going to be using a triangle to make the cone, flipping that upside down, a half circle for the top of the scoop. I'll show you how a rectangle becomes the bottom of each scoop, and then some squares are going to become our sprinkles. So by drawing basic shapes that you know, we're going to make our ice cream cone. And even though you might know these, it's a little bit tricky to put them together, so I'm going to show you how to next. All right, kindergarten, I'm ready to start drawing, and I just have a coloring book here that I'm going to use as a straight edge. I'm going to go to the very bottom of my paper, and I'm going to make a little dot right in the middle. And then I'm going to line this straight edge of the book right up with that dot and draw a diagonal line. That means it's slanted out a little bit from that dot going this direction. Then I'm going to flip my book and draw another diagonal line slanting out the other direction. So you've probably already realized that this is just a triangle flipped upside down to make our cone. And so my next step is to add the scoops of ice cream to my cone. You're probably going to have to look around your house for a circular item that's going to be about the right size. This one seems a little bit small. I'm looking around. I think this jar will be just about perfect. At the bottom of each scoop, I'm actually going to draw a rectangle with wavy sides. So it's still stretched out, two longer sides, two shorter sides, but I made the lines wavy. Now I'm going to set my circle tracer right in there so that I'm only going to trace half. If you find tracing this to be kind of more trouble than it's worth, you can get rid of the circle tracer and just draw the half circle on your own. I'm going to erase just a little bit here because I want more than one scoop on my ice cream cone. And I'm going to draw my next rectangle with wavy lines. And I'm going to trace or just draw freehand my next half circle. This is going to be a triple decker cone, which means I'm going to do one more wavy line for the bottom of the scoop, kind of where the ice cream folds over, and one more half circle. They're getting slightly smaller as they're going up. Right at the tippy top, I'm going to use another circle, that shape, and I'm going to add a cherry. Here's where I'm going to add my squares for sprinkles. And if I want to make it look like the sprinkles are on top of chocolate sauce, I'm just going to go ahead and add a wavy line. Now some other details I might add to this is I'm going to draw some lines going diagonally this direction and then this direction to make this look more like a waffle cone. I might decide there are certain flavors of ice cream. I like fudge ripple, so I'm going to draw some swirly lines in this bottom scoop to make it look like fudge ripple. I want it to look like there's some chunks in this next flavor. It could be cookie dough ice cream, it could be bubble gum, it could be strawberry. You really get to use your imagination. The final step on these would be to color with marker or crayon. You could paint whatever materials you have available. I'm going to speed that step up so you can see me coloring mine. So kindergartners, I changed my mind about fudge ripple and this became blueberry cheesecake swirls. So you can see the cheesecake swirls, graham cracker crumbs, and then the blueberry swirls, yum, strawberry, and vanilla with some chocolate sauce and sprinkles of my cherries. Just so my background wasn't completely plain, I just added some different kinds of lines crisscrossing each other to create kind of a plaid background. So today we use shapes, a triangle, half circle, a wavy rectangle, and squares to make our delicious summer treat ice cream. So I hope you had fun drawing today. I would love to hear about the flavors you've created, and I will talk to you next time. Have a great day.